User presses on and system will start. Door status is checked. If it is closed, door CLS activates counter. User must press enter for 1 second to allow counter to read the password. When LED is on and door is unlocked and door is closed, it is automatically locked. Password. Red LED is on. First, wrong password. Second, wrong password. Third, wrong password. Alarm is on and red LED remain. Fourth, wrong after alarm is on. Correct password after alarm is on. There is no change. Alarm is still on and red LED is remain. Authorized staff need to reset it manually.